Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with North Carolina Department of Revenue for estimated taxes, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the North Carolina Department of Revenue website. Locate the individual income tax section on the homepage. Click on the estimated taxes link to find relevant information about estimated tax payments. Scroll down to the section on authentication. Look for the link that says Access Your Account. Click on it to start the authentication process. You will be directed to a login page. If you have an existing account, enter your user ID and password in the provided fields. If you are a first-time user, look for the option to create an account. Click on the Register button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required personal information, such as your social security number and date of birth. Provide your email address for account recovery and communication. Create a unique user ID and password that meets the security requirements. After filling out the form, review your information for accuracy. Submit your registration by clicking on the Submit button. You will receive an email confirmation once your account is successfully created. Return to the login page once you have your confirmation. Enter your new user ID and password to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Estimated Tax Payment section. Review the information related to your estimated taxes. You can now make payments or check your account status. If you encounter any issues, visit the Help section for troubleshooting tips. Remember to log out once you're finished to keep your information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.